Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Casarico. So what is flipping? On most nights, you will have a video lesson by me. It will be between 8 and 12 minutes, maybe a little longer, maybe a little shorter, or maybe broken up into more than one video. After you watch the video, I want you to turn in something that I call a whisk. A whisk stands for watch the video, summarize your thoughts, and then answer a question or maybe one or two or three questions. So let's see how this will look in Schoology for you. So here's my fake class where I am a student. Notice over here I see whisk 0, or if I go into the class, right here's my whisk 0. If I open it up, you'll notice here is a video, right? It says watch the video on flipping and answer whisk 0. Here, I'll either embed a video like I did here, or maybe look down below. I may just attach a link for a video. So that's going to be the lesson, right? Obviously, we can click on this.
Hi, it's Mrs. Kessler.
And it'll give us the video. Then the important part is the whisk. That's what I want you to answer. So when you open this up, right, it says whisk 0, and you might want to open it up before you watch the video to see what the questions are. Then, to answer it, right, you could either some people are able to, if you have an iPad, you can write right on it. So for example, let me show you, right, if here was someone answering a whisk, right, you could go into an iPad and write on it and take a picture, or probably what most of you will do, will take notes and answer it just on a piece of paper. Then you can use your phone, take a picture of it, and that's what you're going to upload. So when you upload it, right, you're going to go into the Submit Assignment. Then you could go to Create, and if you wanted to, you could type it in, and they do have some math input in here as well. But I really think the easiest way to do it is to just go to the Upload and submit a picture. So I'm going to go in here and go to my sample homework, open it up, attach it, and then press Submit. And then if you want to see what it looks like on my part, when I go into the class and open up the homework, I can see that someone submitted it, and I can then see their work. I will then give it a grade, right, either a 0 or a 1, right? If it's a 1, I will always put a comment, whether it's a 1 or a 0. And on your part, right, when you come to class, that's what you want to check. You should always look to see my comment, right? So right here, when I open it up as the student, I can see here I got a 1 out of 1, but notice this comment icon here. If I hover over that, it'll give the comment, right? Great job. Or it might be right here where it's saying you need to go back and think about positive or negative or something like that. So if you're going to correct your whisk, and what I would do is the minute you come to class, check to see what you got on it. Then you can either obviously resubmit the whole assignment again, or what I like to do is actually just go into the assignment, go into the comments here, and if it's something quick, you could just say, oh, I forgot to add a negative sign. And that's an easy way to answer it, and then get a 1 out of 1 on it. My guidelines are for flipping are, right, you're going to watch your video lesson, then answer your whisk, right, your 1 or 2 short questions. The key thing is that they're due before class starts, right? If you want to get homework credit on it, it needs to be turned in before class starts. Then when you come to class, just like what I said, check to see if you got a 1 out of 1 on it. If you didn't, this is your time to fix it, right? You cannot fix it if you don't turn it in on time, right? If you don't turn it in on time, I will give you a 0 out of 1, and it will just say late on it. Obviously, if you're having technology issues or something else has come up, please send me a quick email or note in Schoology about what's happening. And that's my quick version of how we're going to flip this classroom. So go ahead and answer the whisk. I look forward to reading them all and seeing you in class real soon.